Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Boland, and today we're going to do some counting together. So I know you've been practicing a lot when you were in your classrooms, counting forwards and backwards from all different kinds of numbers. But just because we're home, we don't want to stop counting. We're going to play a little game today. I'm going to say a number, and then I want you to say the next number, and we're going to keep going back and forth. Okay? I'm going to start at the number 17. 17, your turn. 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, and you should have stopped at 30. Okay, this time I want you to go ahead and you're going to count forward, and I'm going to ask you to start at the number 47, and I want you to stop when you get to 55. You can pause my video and turn it back on when you're done. So start at 47 and stop at 55. Okay, your number sequence should have sounded like this: 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay, this time we're going to count backwards. I know, counting backwards can be a lot harder. We're going to start at the number 20, and we're going to count backwards together to start. Okay, follow with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Great job. Now, I'm going to say one number and you say the next number. Remember, we're going backwards. I'm going to start at 24. 24, your turn. 22, 20, 18, 16, and you should have stopped right there at 15. Great job. Okay, last counting practice for today. I want you to start at the number 34 and count backwards until you get to 27. So start at 34 and stop at 27. Go ahead and pause my video and then come back and check your work. Okay, so you started at 34 and stopped at 27. It should have sounded something like this: 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. Okay, boys and girls, have fun. Find lots of different places to count throughout your week. Bye.